Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's our March Boxycharm. No, oh, not March. Oh my god, it is February Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my February box, and that's the base box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
I ran away from heartbreak.
Okay, so let's open her up. And first, let's take this off. So it says, oh well, this doesn't even have, so usually the prices are on there. This one doesn't have the price. It just says Boxycharm, treat your heart out. So there's no prices. Okay, well that's gonna be difficult, but we'll figure it out. So our first product is from YC collection, and it's two marble sponges. One is kind of like that kind of funky dome shape kind of thing, and the other one is like this. Let's open her up. It feels squishy. I don't know if it will like. Maybe we'll try and see. I don't have any water up here, but we'll see. Our other product is actually from Rare Beauty, and it is the Liquid Touch, or the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, and it looks like so. Oh god. Hopefully this matches me. Like, I don't know. Actually, I think this might be a good match, so we will see how that works out. Yeah, and let us jump to product number 3. So this is from Beauty Bakery. It looks like so, and then it is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding. It's an eyeshadow palette. Oh wow, I haven't seen an eyeshadow palette from Boxycharm in like a year. Like, no exaggeration. Actually, maybe less than that, but so it looks like so. I don't know, it's kind of boring, but we'll see. We'll create a look with that today. So we only have 2 more items, because I was 3 and I only got 5 items in here. The other product is from Tarte, and it's Everyday Decay Coconut Lip Oil. Let us see. She looks like so. I love me a good lip oil. Ooh. So it's very juicy and it smells like coconut. I can smell the coconut. And the other product is from Lala. No, is hashtag give them Lala Beauty. And I think this is another lip product, or yeah, it's a lipstick. And it looks like so, kind of a nudie, orangey nudie, or maybe more pinky. Yeah, so maybe we can try this. But man, this look today is gonna be. So these are all the products. So let's go ahead and create something quick. So this brush, this is from Luna Beauty, and it is the LBE-1. And I'm gonna jump into that dark shade right here called Warm Cocoa. So this is not even that dark. I thought this is gonna be like dark, but not really. I'm gonna use this is E20 from Sigma, and we're gonna go into Spicy Caramel. See, this looks so dark on the brush, but on my eye, it's like it is not that dark. And then I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Alamo Cosmetics, and we're gonna go into Mango Pudding. It's like kind of an orangey shade, maybe like right here. And I'm just gonna put this. Okay, so we're back, and time to talk about this foundation from Rare Beauty. It has like a doe foot, like so. So it feels good, I think. So I'm actually gonna try this sponge. This is from RC Cosmetic, I think. I got it to my Boxycharm, and then we're just gonna go ahead and I don't know. I haven't really been applying my foundation with like sponge. I don't know. See, I feel like the sponge takes so much of it. I don't know. I feel like the sponge just suck all of this. Okay, and for blush, man, I wonder if this blush is gonna work. Like, I don't know if this will be dark enough like this right here. Let's see. This is quite like powdery. Okay, and to line my lip, I'm gonna use Night Moth from MAC. So I do need another lipstick. There was one in my Boxycharm that I'm gonna use, but I feel like I need something a little bit darker. And then we can put that one in the center. This is what? This is Brick from Dose of Colors. Just want just a little bit. Like right here. And then we're gonna use this shade, which is Booty Call from Give Them Lala. And I'm just gonna put it in the center. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you my rundown. Not really like too much details because the product actually did not have, so usually this will have like the prices, and this time around it just says epic news is coming, we've got something epic in the works, and can't wait to tell you about it. So Boxycharm did not give me the prices, so I had to go actually and look for all the prices, which was kind of annoying. So the sponge set that I got was $20. $20. The foundation from Rare Beauty was $30, so that's $50. The palette was $38, so that is $88. And the lip oil was $15, and the lip gloss was $16. So it was $119 in my box. I feel like the price of the products are going down. They say there's something huge, so let's see, you know, what it is that they're bringing back, or what is it that they're not bringing back, or are they doing something different? You know, we're just gonna have to wait and see. So that's it, guys, for my Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise.